Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Local Learnings. So today I am hanging out in the yard and I've decided that I want to put a bench or a working shelf. Look at that eagle. Did I get something? I don't even know. Anyways, I want to put a bench, a workbench in my greenhouse. So I'm out of my comfort zone and I'm using this Ryobi saw, a square, a pencil, and a measuring tape. I'm cutting all the pieces. Obviously, I'm not good with the saw because it shouldn't be burning the wood. It should just be cutting it. But I'm doing my best and we'll see how it works out. So I'm repurposing wood, you guys. I'm using wood that has already been used. And do you see this nail? So it's easy to get them out. You just straighten it up and then bang it through. And then it should come out. Right? Whoops, I dropped my nail. Yep, that's how you do it. Okay, so I cut all my boards to 16 inches because that's how deep I want my shelf to be. And this is the end result. And then there's the guy who's hopefully going to build it. And I'll bring you guys back when it's all done. Okay, so I'm not getting any help on this build. So I have to try to figure out how to do it myself. I have never done anything like this before. But it can't really be too hard, right, guys? So it'll be along this back wall when it's all done. And I want to thank you so much for joining me on this video as I try to do a little bit something out of my comfort zone. Something new, something, you know, try to build something on my own. Okay, got one leg on, now I gotta put the other two legs on and then screw it to the wall in the greenhouse. I have no idea if I'm doing this right, you guys. Okay, I got the legs on. I got two of the legs on and I have it up against the wall. I'm using a level to make sure it's somewhat level. I mean, remembering it's a dirt floor and it's gonna change. You know what I mean, as it, you know how ground does that. So now I am going to attach it to the wall and I'm going to add in my third leg and then I'm going to put the top on it. So wish me luck. Okay, this is what I'm using to put a space between. I'm just using a piece of a little end cut of a 2x4 and then this screw looks stripped. There we go. So it's coming along. It's not, you know, it's not super fantastic, but it's going to do absolutely perfect for doing my seeds on. And now I just have to find a couple nice bar stools for in here, and it's going to be styling. I'll bring you guys back when I'm finished. It's so much fun. Using power tools is a hoot. That's not long enough. There we go. I'm on my last few pieces. Now, I'm not sure if this bench is going to need another leg. I might get away with just the two, because really, it's already plenty strong enough. So, let's do this. And the last piece. Oops. Alright. Oh, that screw's not long enough. Oh, you guys. Oh, last screw. There we go. I'm just going to bump that out just because I can. There we go. The bench is done, you guys. Ooh, it's not pretty, but it's super strong, and it'll do exactly what I need it to do, which is be there so I can put my seeds up there and start making more seeds. So that's it for my video today. I'm going to kind of piece it together. I really appreciate you guys watching. Tell me what you think. I'm not a carpenter, you know, but I got it done. So try something new. Get out of your comfort zone, and you know, you'd be surprised what we can do when we put our mind to something. Have a super fantastic day, and thank you for watching. Smash the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.